Good news for civil and mechanical engineering students, you're officially blessed. I built a completely free web-based tool. It runs directly in your browser and solves 2D beam problems, shear force, bending moment, and axial force. No long theory. Let's jump straight into the demo. Here's an example problem. We have for nodes 1, 2, 3, and 4. And node 3, we apply a downward point load. And node 2, we apply a point load to the right. Nodes 1 infer pin supports. And node 2 is a roller support. Let's reset and do it step by step. Now we calculate. First, the horizontal distance between node 1 and 2 is 4 meters. The vertical distance between node 1 and 4 is 3 meters. After adding the points, we connect them with beams. Then we apply the support constraints. Next, we add a 10K endpoint load, along with moments, or other loads, if needed. You can flip the load direction here. Once everything is set, we hit calculate. The solver gives us shear force, bending moment, and axial force. If you want details for a specific beam, just go back to the select panel. For example, let's check beam number 2. Here you can see the exact numerical values for shear moment and axial force. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find any mistakes while using this tool, please let me know and feel free to correct me.